Satu, dua, tiga.
Halo teman-teman, balik lagi di channel kita. Hari ini kita mau bicara tentang gimana kita ketemu, how we met, dan tips. Kayak soalnya ada yang tanya, gimana sih bisa dapetin bule kayak gitu ya. Sebelumnya saya tuh udah pernah 4 kali ya deket sama bule. Dan rata-rata aku tuh cuma kayak 2 minggu kayak gitu udah bisa dapetin bule. Tapi yang paling susah tuh Olga tuh sampai 1 bulan saya coba deketin, 1,5 bulan kayak gitu ya. You're the hardest to get ya.
Well, some people take longer, some people take like 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. 1 month is not even long.
So how we met?
Why is it long?
I'll tell people how we met in Indonesian ya. Jadi kita ketemu tuh lewat temannya, tapi sebelumnya tuh saya ngeliat dia di Facebook. Di Facebook saya lihat, wah cantik juga. Terus saya lihat, ternyata temennya teman saya. Terus saya minta temen aku tuh buat ngenalin aku ke Olga. Habis itu kita start chatting di Instagram first or Facebook? We start chatting on Instagram.
I think probably on Facebook.
Oh, di Facebook
I
ya.
don't think on
Jadi di Facebook
Instagram
dulu
we
ya.
chat.
Ya setelah itu ya sekitar deketinnya kayak 1,5 bulan ya, paling susah ya daripada bule yang lain sebelumnya yang pernah saya deketin ya. Jadi menurut Olga, saya bakalan tanya Olga tipsnya ya, tips gimana cara untuk deketin bule. So what do you think, baby? Like, do you have any tips?
I think that the first thing that I like is your ability to commit into relationship, commit into family. You're in some way, I would say, ready to invest into relationship. I'm not talking about money. I'm mainly talking about, I would say, the ability, your emotions, I would say, some kind of like you have a stamina to be able kind of like to maintain the relationship and to maintain the family. You're able to compromise with me, like rather than just like standing on your own opinion, you're able to reason. Like I like the fact that you kind of, I would say, consider my opinion, and we kind of like try to work out I would say, the plans, the solutions together. What else I like? I think, yeah, I like that almost for anything I can convince you. I like that because I think it's very, very important.
So it doesn't matter what your background is.
No, doesn't matter. To me, it doesn't.
Jadi backgroundnya apa aja, mereka orang bule itu nggak peduli ya. So you really don't care like if I'm come from rich family, poor family, you just don't care.
Honestly, to me, the background means, I would say, absolutely nothing, because to me what's important is the personality of the potential person I'm going to be with. First of all, that person needs to be kind. Like I generally probably won't be with someone who is not kind. That person doesn't need to be selfish, because, well, I like when, I would say, my needs are also considered. I like someone who is committing, not just like mainly, I would say, thinking about himself. I am that kind of person also that once I am, I would say, in a relationship, I don't like being, I would say, on my own. If I'm with someone, I am more like, if we are together, I think that we need to be most of the time together. Yeah.
Sama Olga udah 10 tahun ya, 10 years together. Jadi pertama tuh yang saya mentionkan tadi, ketemu dari mutual friend, habis itu step by step saya PDKT ke dia, habis itu saya buat kayak sweet words kayak gitu, tapi tetap ditolak guys pertamanya, tapi saya nggak nyerah, saya coba lagi, dan akhirnya dia jatuh cinta ke aku tuh soalnya aku selalu ada di sana buat dia. Terus aku bawa dia ke dokter, dia itu yang mulai tuh. Saya bawa dia ke dokter gigi. Habis itu
I
dia
didn't invite him. I didn't invite him.
baru sadar kalau aku selalu ada buat dia. Jadi tips aku untuk kalian, tips aku yang pertama tuh jadi diri sendiri ya. Just be yourself. Jadi diri sendiri aja. Jangan kasih rayuan-rayuan gombal nggak jelas kayak bapak kamu itu ya, nggak bakal mereka itu ngerti ya, malah dipikirnya kalian lucu. Jadi tips yang pertama itu ya, jadi diri sendiri. Tips kedua, jangan canggung, jangan malu ya, soalnya kebanyakan orang Indonesia tuh kayak mau ngomong ke bule tuh malu, ngomong apa adanya lah, like just talk it out ya.
What do you mean talk it out?
Don't be shy, just talk it out if you want to say something, because a lot of Indonesian shy. Yeah. Kayak
You
orang
wouldn't say
Indonesia
you weren't shy like when you met me.
ngomong aja. Yang ketiga, jangan terlalu agresif, not too aggressive, like for example be friend with them first. Jadi teman mereka dulu, nggak langsung baru kenal berapa hari langsung aku
That's what
pengen
your friend
sama
said.
kamu. Jangan, harus step by step guys.
That's what your friend
Itu yang ketiga
said.
ya,
Yeah.
jadi step by step,
That
jangan
you
terlalu
just want to be
agresif
friends with me.
ya. Jadi teman dulu, kenal satu sama lain. Habis itu iya, jangan terlalu itu ya, touchy. Waktu baru kenal langsung pegang-pegang tuh nggak banget ya. Terus bule itu nomor 4, kasih mereka perhatian. Bule itu suka perhatian. You guys like attention ya.
Oh yes, so
Ya,
much.
orang bule tuh suka attention guys.
As much as possible.
Ya, kasih sayang, perhatian. Mungkin semua wanita seperti itu. Yang kelima tuh jangan apa ya, jangan disclose agama kalian. Mereka nggak mau tahu background kalian, mereka nggak mau tahu dari anak orang kaya, dari agama apa kalian, mereka nggak mau tahu. Jadi jangan disclose aku nih agama apa, aku anak orang kaya kayak gitu, mereka nggak mau tahu ya guys. Jadi itu ya, pertama tadi be yourself, jadi diri sendiri. Yang kedua, jangan malu ya, jangan malu, talk it out, bicara aja apa adanya. Yang ketiga, jangan terlalu agresif, masa baru kenal langsung itu. Yang keempat, mereka butuh perhatian, kasih sayang, itu tunjukkan ke mereka. Yang kelima, itu jangan disclose, jangan bilang cerita aku dari background apa, agama apa, itu mereka nggak mau tahu. Dan mungkin yang keenam, percaya diri. You have to be confident ya.
Oh yeah, like
you have to be confident.
Yeah, I think you just need to be probably
when you
sure
try to get
that you want to get that particular person. I think more in some way assertive. Like I could see that in you, that it's not like you just want to spend time with me. It looks like you want more than just spending time with me, and I like that in you, because I could see that you are kind of like ready for commitment. And I would say I like it even more when I just realized that I can just come to your place anytime and you'll always be waiting for me. You didn't really have any other plans. I can come any day of the time, unless like any time of the day, unless like you were working. You're always available, always open. Yeah.
Selalu ada buat mereka sih, harus selalu ada buat mereka. Tapi jangan terlalu creepy, don't be too creepy as well.
Creepy.
Like masa setiap jam kayak gitu SMS kayak gitu, jangan. Every hours if you want to get that girl, every hours you have message, no, don't do that. Jangan SMS terus-terusan kayak gitu, dia malah nggak nyaman mereka. Jadi
Already
sebutuhnya
forgot
aja
how
ya,
often you messaged.
sebutuhnya aja, kayak pagi-pagi bilang good morning if it's in the morning ya, good morning pagi-pagi, hari ini mau apa, kegiatannya apa gitu. Terus nanti siangnya lagi apa sore lah bilang kayak gimana hari kamu kayak gitu. Tapi ya itu yang sudah saya sebutkan, itu aja sih tipsnya dari aku ya tadi. Yeah, is there anything else? So pretty much like what? Be yourself. Don't be too aggressive when you're trying to get that girl. And what else?
I would
Don't be
say-
shy.
Yeah, be
Don't be
committed.
shy.
Be committed.
Be committed.
Uh,
Kasih sayang, attention.
be always
yeah.
give a lot of attention.
Percaya diri.
Be supportive.
Yeah.
Be supportive. If she's upset, like be there to listen to her, to comfort her. I would say what else? Be supportive. Don't look too sad. Like look happy. I think I like the fact that when we met, you were smiling most of the time. Where's your smile gone? Yeah, I would say look happy, because I don't think any girl wants to like get into a relationship with a guy which is like, well, I would say kind of like grumpy or serious most of the time.
But what do you think of Indonesian itself, the Indonesian people?
I would say Indonesian people are generally very
Kind,
friendly.
always smile, always happy.
Yeah, generally they're friendly people. They are very talkative. If like obviously they don't really
Yeah,
have language barrier.
Not only Indonesian, yeah, like all like typical Southeast Asian, like Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand.
Yeah, I would say very outgoing as well, and very family orientated. That's the other thing that also I like about you, is being family orientated, because it's obviously someone who is family orientated will bring those values into the family that like will be built in the future.
Ya, jadi dia suka cowok yang lebih ke keluarganya gitu ya, kayak keluarga, sayang keluarga gitu. Ya alhamdulillah we already have 3 kids ya. Alhamdulillah kita udah punya 3 anak, udah 10 tahun. Ya itu tips-tipsnya dari kami. Kalau ada yang kurang, mohon maaf ya. And thank you for watching. Terima kasih udah
And
nontonnya.
thank you.
Bye.
Bye.